Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to unbox a Harley Benton classical acoustic. This one is an Ovation copy. I got this thing for 90 bucks. So let's check it out.
You on the Hank Coffee YouTube channel, man? Yeah.
So this is the box that this is shipped over here in from Thomann. This one made it in pretty good shape. Looks like this one scooted on past customs. Sometimes they do. I think it just all depends on what time the package goes through. And if they grab your package, they'll put duty paperwork on it.
Yes, but, they did put duty paperwork on this. Those darn taxes.
Da da da. All right. Here's the guitar. Looks like it made it without getting broke. Maybe. Thomann, 100% satisfied with your equipment? Oh, it's a coloring page. Isn't that precious? Yes, rescue my guitars. Most of the guitars I get from them, the headstock has started busting through the foam. This one could be marked a little bit. This can't be marked. It's QC path. So, dude, this is like an Ovation copy, classical acoustic, but it's a Harley Benton. This is what the preamp looks like on it. You know what? I don't have any 9-volt batteries. Dang. There's like a gel pack in here. Dude, this is totally awesome, man. The action's pretty decent, and I think this has got 24 frets on it. It's been a while since I played one of these. Okay, so first impressions, it needs new strings. I think these suck. Looks like it's going to be easy to get dirty. I got to go buy a 9-volt. Let me just see if they put one in here. Dude, they put me a 9-volt in here. Let's plug this mofo in, man. It's got treble mid bass. have to learn how to string one of these. I never learned. Looks like a nice little twist job there. This would be good to learn to pick everything, because if you don't pick it, you can definitely hear it. String alignment is straight. Wow, man. $90. Boy, the continuity of this video is going to be fantastic. So here it is. I restrung it with decent strings, and not too bad for my first classical restring. So this is what the guitar sounds like acoustically. Okay, I'm just going to improvise something totally to a click and put drums behind it later. I have no idea what I'm about to play. I'm just going to wing it for the video's sake. Well, hey, thanks for checking this video out. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys next video. Later.